Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. Every single day, thousands of WordPress sites are hacked, and the number one culprit is vulnerable or outdated plugins. It's incredibly easy to see a cool feature, hit install, and completely overlook the hidden security risks you might be introducing to your website. In this video, we will cover exactly what to look for before installing any WordPress plugin to ensure your site stays safe and trustworthy. To get started, navigate from your main WordPress dashboard over to Plugins and select Add New. This opens up the official WordPress repository. Let's search for a plugin, for example. We'll type in our own security solution, WP Ultimate Security. Once the repository fetches the plugin, don't just hit install right away. First, we need to verify its safety signals, so let's click on More Details. When the pop-up arrives, the first thing you want to look at is the description to ensure the features actually solve what you are looking for. Then, shift your eyes over to the right sidebar. Here, you will see critical data like the plugin version, author name, and the last updated tag. Keep in mind, if a plugin hasn't been updated in months or years, it could be a security threat. Next, verify the WordPress and PHP compatibility. You want to ensure it explicitly says compatible with your version of WordPress. If it doesn't, it could easily break your site or leave open backdoors for hackers. Now, let's switch over to the Changelog tab. A transparent, active changelog shows you exactly how dedicated the developers are. Seeing frequent entries that detail security improvements, code cleanup, and bug fixes, just like you see right here, proves that the team is actively hardening the software against modern threats. Once a plugin passes this entire checklist, it is finally safe to install and activate. But what happens after activation? This is where Ultimate Security truly shines. Instead of leaving you in the dark, it immediately deploys an intuitive security dashboard to monitor your site's health in real time, giving you total control to configure your defenses instantly. To secure your own website today, you can download the Ultimate Security plugin using the link in the description below. And if you want to learn more essential WordPress security tips to keep your business safe, make sure to check out the other videos on our channel. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.